Okay, and here is the latest project here in beautiful Jacksonville. This is the before. Just a quick mulch project. Just a quick mulch job. See some down branches. Gonna do some light trimming. The primary goal here is to get some fresh mulch in the beds. So nothing too fancy. But this is the before. See some shrubs need to be trimmed. Got some down branches and got some beds that need fresh mulch. So I'm gonna hook that up today. Several oak branches have fell and hit the turf. Got a larger bed over here. And mulch all of this stuff here. Alright, this is the before. Just to give you an idea of what it looked like. Gonna go with pine bark nuggets. I don't know what the name of this plant is. If anybody knows, post in the comments. It's an interesting plant. I'm not sure the name of it. Just got a few of them over here. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't take long for beds to kind of get out of order here in Florida. I'm gonna run the weed eater and get these ferns out of here. And mulch all these beds. Mulch, mulch, mulch. Very exciting stuff. I'm gonna trim this guy. He's a little bit too leggy. Trim him back down. There'll be a couple loads of mulch to get all of this done for sure. All right, stay tuned. That's the before. Mulch City. Okay, and here is the result. Just a quick mulch job. The most popular mulch is the smaller pine bark nuggets here in beautiful Jacksonville. Just want to show you how things look when it's all done. Mulch is kind of like paint for your yard. It just makes everything look much better. Get set for the holidays. And the pine bark nuggets look really fresh. Got the glaring sunlight coming in over here. Got a large bed over here, kind of like a garden. Not the best sunlight for these photos or this video right now, but hopefully you can see. Just gives everything a very nice finish. Mulch. There's a lot of mulch in this particular project. All right, and also down along the back side of the shrubs. So that's it. Pretty exciting stuff. Definitely want to upgrade your curb appeal this season. for a free quote. FloridaProLawnCare.com. Follow us on Instagram at FloridaProLawnCare and on Facebook. Like our Facebook page, Florida Pro Lawn Care. Till next time, peace.